He was unarmed. He wasn't aware of what was about to happen when he was murdered. And they hunted him down like he was an animal, and they killed him.
It's Ahmaud Arbery's mother, and tomorrow, a big day. I'm sure she'll be inside that courtroom, as well as many other folks, as the 3 men accused of the murder of Ahmaud Arbery are in court for their preliminary hearing. Ted Rowlands is in Glynn County, Georgia, and has an update for us tonight.
Vinny, tomorrow's hearing will feature, as you mentioned, 3 defendants. You've got the McMichaels, Travis Gregory McMichaels, and then William Roddy Bryant. That's 3 defendants, plus you have the attorneys. 3 attorneys representing these defendants. Add social distancing into it, and there's not going to be a lot of room in that courtroom. We are expecting evidence to be presented. There will be some room for the media and for the general public, but it will also be live streamed, and people are encouraged to view it via the live stream. The evidence we're expecting, possible witnesses from law enforcement, maybe some of that video. We'll have to wait and see. I had an opportunity to talk to William Roddy Bryant's attorney, Mr. Goff, just a few minutes ago. Take a listen.
I think you're going to hear a lot of evidence presented, we hope. And at the end of that, the lawyers are going to make their arguments to the judge as to why the charges should be dismissed or bound over. And you know, you never know what a judge is going to do, but we have great confidence in Judge Wallace Harrell, our Chief Magistrate Judge, that at the end of the day, after hearing the evidence and hearing the legal arguments in this case, that he will agree that the criminal charges made against Roddy Bryant are without precedent under Georgia law. And we're confident that Judge Wallace Harrell will dismiss the charges against Roddy Bryant tomorrow.
Do you expect more video evidence? Video we haven't seen yet, the public hasn't seen yet?
Well, we keep hearing the same information you do about there seems to be a different video every day, but it's up to the GBI as to what they bring with them. The GBI has moved to quash notice to produce the video evidence in this case. And I understand there are subpoenas for some of that material, and we'll see what happens.
9:30 a.m. Eastern Time tomorrow morning, the preliminary hearing will begin. We, of course, will be here. Court TV will be carrying it live. Vinny?
All right, Ted Rowlands down at Glynn County at the courthouse. And again, tomorrow morning is the prelim for all 3 men. Let's bring back in our think tank right now. And let's talk about what could happen tomorrow. And we keep hearing, let's start with what evidence we'll see. Michelle, do you expect prosecutors to put in all the videos? We've heard so much about them that we've got videos of the chase, we've got reverse angle videos, we've got home surveillance videos. Are they going to put it in front of the judge and let him see all these videos?
I don't know about Georgia, but in Texas, prosecutors wouldn't do that. They wouldn't lay all of their cards on the table, but maybe if they're having concerns that they're actually going to be able to keep him in and hang on to the charge, they'll lay more of those cards out on the table tomorrow. But I think we'll see. It's typically not what you see. You see prosecutors hold back a lot, really, I think, to an unfair point to a lot of accused citizens. But we'll see if that happens tomorrow.